Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's get started. In this video we're going to talk about how to reshape arrays using Python, okay, and Numpy. So let's get started by creating some array. So let's create an array. I'm going to call it numbers. We're going to use the Arange function in this video because it's a native Python implementation of the Arange function. We're going to create 16 numbers, okay, and I'm going to print this array. So I guess you will see the output. So this is the output. So we have 60 numbers. Okay, I'm gonna increase the font a little bit. So just to facilitate the visualization. So let's run again. So you guys can see these numbers. So this is one-dimensional array, okay, or one-dimensional tensor, as you guys may prefer. So we're gonna, first of all, let's just talk about indexing. So let's say I wanna print the first number. I'm gonna call numbers 0. Okay. Let's just, okay. My keyboard is not in Portuguese. Okay, now it is. So let's just print the first number. As you guys can see, the first number is 0. Okay. So if you guys type index, the index you see the number in that index. For instance, if we type the 17 index, which you don't have a number, we're gonna throw an exception, okay, index error. Okay, so let's jump right into the resizing. So, or reshape. So sometimes you have some array and you want to reshape it. So let's create a new array called numbers, and to reshape some array, we pass the array object numbers and the reshape function or method, and we pass the shape that we want to have. So in this case, we have a 16 elements. Let's reshape to a two-dimensional. So let's create a 4x4. Okay, and let's print numbers. So let's do that, and there you go. You guys have this new array. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys next time.